Hello friends, welcome to TechTechGuide. Today I will show you how to Subscript and Superscript in MS Word. So let's start. First of all, head on to Word and you can see here I have one text x2. If I want to make this x squared, first of all what I'll do is select this 2 and go over here this small icon Superscript and click here. You can see here our text is superscripted. Also, we can use shortcut as Ctrl Shift and is equals to. You can see here we can superscript by just clicking Ctrl Shift and is equals to. Also, we can subscript it by simply selecting this text and going to Subscript. You can see here we have subscripted our text. Also, we can use shortcut Ctrl plus is equals to for subscript. In this way, we can subscript and superscript in MS Word. So, if you find this helpful, please like, share and subscribe.